Hey guys, I'll have a video out on the Cavalier here real soon. It is almost finished and it is looking killer. I want to get some e-coat. I didn't initially plan on painting the undercarriage, but I found e-coat that is exactly the same color as what GM used in 1990 on the L bodies and J bodies, thanks to a friend of mine. And I'm gonna just spray it the e-coat, and nothing much news going on. I don't know what kind of car to get next. I got to get this channel going right. Like I said, it's the first of the year. I'm gonna have the proper stuff, and I'm not stealing ideas off of anybody at all, but my channel is going to be kind of like Chris Sullivan's. Him and I are a lot alike how we do things, and I'm very OCD, and I think he is too. So if you like Chris's videos, you'll like mine. I just got to get the proper equipment to film and get better at filming, because I suck at it right now. But until then, there should be a new video of the Z24, I'm hoping Sunday. And I got to get my garage rearranged and paint the floor and all that, because I was going to sell the Cavalier after I got it done, but I'm going to keep it. That car, when I first got it, I honestly thought it had more than 62,000 miles on it. And then I started digging in on it and tearing it apart, and then realized, wow, that is the true mileage. It's just a real shame that the original owner's grandson just took it out and I think beat the living crap out of it for a day, it looks like, or a week or whatever. And but I got it back to the way she should be. So I hope everybody out there is gonna have a safe and happy Christmas and all that, if you celebrate. I do. This is usually my favorite time of year, but I need some snow. So anyway, guys, I appreciate all you people that subscribe. I really do. And like I said, once I get this channel going, I know I can, with my skills and skill set and how I do things, and how I can really restore a car without going into high budget builds, and showing everybody that's interested how to do it without having to be a billionaire. Because you can get say a Z24 or even an SN95 Mustang. Who cares if it's a V6? If you can find a straight body and your budget's low, you can do it. And whatever you like, I don't care what it is. But I'm going to show you guys how you can do it without being a billionaire, because God knows I'm not. But anyway, everybody be safe, and I'll hopefully have that video up this weekend. And like I said, I appreciate you guys that's subscribing, because I know I suck at filming and whatnot, but my videos are going to get better, I promise you. So for now, I'll be on the lookout for a video of the Cavalier Z24 finished, and I don't know what I'm going to find after that. As you guys have seen in my earlier videos, I'm real big onto the cruises, because I love working on those 1.4s. If I can pick one of those up for $500 or $600, you know, I'll probably get another one of those. But I want to get something different. I don't know. We'll see. Just see what I can find. But for now, everybody, peace out.